Here's how to get started sending a video in an email through Outlook. Open a new message and in the body of your email, insert an image. To do that, use the custom thumbnail we've sent you. That's the image with the play button on it. You are just going to drop it right into the body of that email. Go to Pictures, choose this device, and find the thumbnail. So there it is inside the body copy. Now what you need to do is create a link to take the recipient of your email to a place where they can watch the video. To do that, you need a link or URL. For this example, we've posted the video on our blog, so I'm going to copy that URL. Next, to hyperlink the image back in your email, just click on the image, select it, and then right-click. From the drop-down menu, choose Link, and then just paste the URL you copied into the address line, and click OK. Now, to dummy-proof this so that everyone realizes, yes, this is a video and I would like you to play it, I always insert the URL right below the image too. Just copy that URL again with a Control-C, then put your cursor right under the thumbnail image and paste it with a Control-V. Now it's clear to anyone who gets this email that you can play it. And you'll get more clicks by taking the time to insert a hyperlinked image. Now that you've done this once, using thumbnails in your emails will be easy and effective.